Children, I'm going. Good morning. As you all know, that today is your assessment, so I'm going to post the link in the classroom as well as in the chat box also.
Ma'am, we have to write in capital letters or
Any form you can write, but compulsory to write the section also. And I'm going to check it manually. You will not get the marks today. Once I will check, I will post the response sheet in the classroom.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Someone can instruct that child that log out and log in again.
ma'am, you were not talking that's why he was saying.
What?
Good morning, ma'am.
You
Good
are not
morning.
speaking, that's why he told I cannot listen you.
But I'm not speaking.
Yeah, I am telling that only. He Aradhya.
Okay. Please, please go to the classroom, refresh your classroom, and link is posted in the chat box also. Please go to that.
Ma'am, have you sent the link in the classroom?
I have sent.
Ma'am, in our full name we have to write only our surname and our name, no?
You giving the Google form first time? Mosh, you're not giving the Google form first time, no? So you can write in your way you want to write. I request everyone to turn on their cameras and sit in the class.
Renu ma'am, when I go to other side na, so my camera automatic gets off and
Okay.
then.
But I have a device which can tell me which child is truly speaking that or which child is saying this. So my device can tell me.
Ma'am, in the mentioned full name, we have to write our father's name also, no?
No, no. Your name and surname. Is Divit there in the class? Divit, you are there. Then why are you not answering? Which child is typing?
Yes, ma'am, I was in class only.
Okay. Is Niva there in the class? Niva? Yes, she's there.
Yeah.
Rajvi Nikhare?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the first one.
You have not done the practice on the same basis. The 3 hours 20 minutes equals to how many minutes?
Okay.
Renu ma'am.
Yes, Tika Singh.
Ma'am, in the third question, we have to write the name of rupees, or we can put the sign also.
You can put the sign also. If the sign you don't have, then write the RS also, rupees.
Okay. And ma'am, we have to write all the capital words, na?
Where?
In the we have to write the answer.
There is no where you have to write the complete answer and the capital.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have to mention 3D shape or 2D shape.
Which question?
Second question.
Let me read it first. Wait. Granth is not there in the class. Let me take the attendance. Yes, Moksha, wait a minute. Let me take the attendance first. You are asking about the second question, Neva, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me read the question first. The shape of a dice is you have to write the shape. You have to write the shape. You have not learned the 3D shapes are called what? Dice is which shape of a 3D shape? है ना? डाइस के फेस होते हैं 2D शेप में, पर डाइस तो 3D होता है ना. उस 3D का भी क्या नाम है? दैट नेम यू नीड टू राइट.
Okay, ma'am.
यस मोक्षा.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the first one. What it is trying to say me?
They are telling you 3 hours 20 minutes equal to how many minutes? Like if I say 1 hour 10 minutes equal to total how many minutes? So 1 hour में कितने होते हैं? 10 minutes are already minutes. Write the total minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a very simple language is being used in your assessment, my dear. Suchi, again you are moving here and there. Camera is still moving. Now I don't know at which place of your house you are sitting. Completely moving, my dear. Please stable your camera.
Ma'am, on the question number 9, the question is our school annual function started at 6 p.m. It ended after 4 hours 55 minutes. So, what time it ended? So, we have to write it 24-hour clock or 12 hours. So, we can write any, no?
You can write any.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm confused in the fifth one, ma'am. Ma'am, in the fifth one, we have to say the answer only, or we have to do something else?
Answer only. This number multiply by 1 give you what?
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. We have to add a rupee sign because in
Yes. If you don't have rupee sign, which is currently we are using, write RS.
Okay, ma'am.
Or if you want, I can give you the rupee sign in the chat box. Paste it, copy paste from there.
Ma'am.
Wait a minute. The same question, children, don't ask me. I'm going to give you the rupee sign in the chat box. If you want to pay, copy paste from there, copy paste from the chat box. And if you want to write RS, that also will be acceptable. It is there posted now. You can go to the chat box. Copy paste, everyone knows.
Ma'am.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am.
One by one.
Ma'am, in second question, 6 number, what do we have to do in third page?
Third page.
Yes, third page, 6 question. 6.
Sixth question. You have to find which house is the nearest one. See the map.
Ma'am, but
You have
where
not
we have
done the
to
practice of such questions. Tej Kumar, talk to me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
You have not
from
done the practice. From the
ma'am,
school, which house is nearest? David's
ma'am,
house is
from the
nearest. Ruth's house is nearest. Which is nearest? Right? From the school. School को center में रखकर. Yes, Vihan. Vihan.
I'm coming on the seventh question. We have to write who is elder, or we have to write who is elder and how much elder.
What? Which seventh question? Which page number?
Seventh question.
Page
First
number.
one. Page number first one. The seventh
Yeah,
question.
which child is elder?
I
Girl or a boy?
write how much elder and which
No,
child.
no. Which child is elder? It's written, no, who is elder? The
Ma'am.
boy or the girl? They are not asking how much elder. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in sixth question. What they are trying to say?
Multiplication is a repeated what? This question. Yeah. This you are learning from the beginning. Multiplication is a repeated what? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in fourth worksheet there is first question, so I can write only H or I write HRS. I write H or HRS.
HRS. H is not the word. Short form of hours is HRS, not H.
Okay.
Am I visible to you all, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the last section, second question, we have to add a comma or we have to only write the number?
Last question, second question.
Last section.
Yeah, add comma also.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I am not understanding the last and question of this last section. It is saying Geeta took a loan for 1 year from the bank of rupees 800 at an
Let me
interest
explain.
of 20.
Let me explain. The amount is taken 800. Interest is paying after 1 year is 20 rupees. How much amount is paying up to the bank after the 1 year?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am means she is paying 800 and then 20 is interest.
800 she has taken from the bank. And now whenever you take the loan from any bank or someone, whenever you take, you have to pay the interest. Interest is 20 rupees. Am I audible to you, Moksh? Interest
Yes.
is rupees 20 for a 1 year. So how much she is paying now after the 1 year
Ma'am
back
means
to the bank?
every month she has to pay.
20 rupees is the year charges. 20 rupees interest is for the year charges and 800 she has taken. Agar, for example, if I am taking 10 rupees from you and you will take extra 2 rupees, which is the interest amount, how much you will take after the 1 year from me?
Ma'am, 2 rupees.
More than this, I cannot explain you. उसके बाद तो होगा कि I will give you answer then. Got it, Moksh? Understood?
Ma'am, but there is some confusion.
Why are you creating confusion for yourself? It is very easy, simply given. जब आप किसी से कुछ लोगे तो उसको वो तो दोगे ही दोगे. एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट भी तो दोगे, तो टोटल कितना दोगे? Now I don't want to explain. Others will get the complete answer then. This is very simple question asked from the interest chapter, you know. Let me check those who are writing that I have submitted. Let me check the my answer sheet. I can see only 2-3 students have submitted. Aradhya, Vishrut, Viva, and Kevyan.
Ma'am, when will I get my answers?
After I check, I told you it is going to be checked manually. Am I audible to you all?
Yes.
Okay. Because at my screen, no one is visible to me.
Ma'am,
Those
because
who have
all
submitted,
assessment.
those who have submitted, they can turn on your camera and start writing tables in your maths notebook, revision notebook, sorry, 16 to 20. Write table 16 to 20. Dania, mute your mic, please. Moksh still confused? Moksh, if you are taking some money from someone, right? The person has taken from bank. In place of bank, we can take from someone also. किसी से भी कुछ भी लेते उसको देना तो है ही वो, तो वो तो दोगे ही, प्लस इंटरेस्ट भी दोगे, तो टोटल कितना दोगे उसको?
Okay, ma'am.
Why there is such confusion? Nishwa, where are you? Bacha? Nishwa, you don't know the spelling of 3D shapes?
No, ma'am, I know.
What?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You don't know
I
the
know,
spelling?
ma'am.
Then why you have written the wrong spelling? Inspired, you know the right answer, but if your spelling is wrong, then this is not the meaningful word. You will not get the marks at that word spelling then. It is not English that teacher will give you mark the circle and then she will give you, okay, this is the spelling error. But in maths, if it is wrong, means wrong. Got it? If I will not understand the spelling, this will give me the wrong meaning, so means I will put it wrong. Don't be overconfidence. Confidence is good, but overconfidence is not good, students. Kevyan, excellent. Huh? Kevyan, turn on your mic and talk to me. Where are you?
Yes.
Kevyan, 100 paisa equals to 100 rupees. Who taught you this, bacha? 100 paisa equal to 100 rupees. Because of this,
Excuse me, ma'am.
wait, Neva, wait. Do you know the reason why you are writing such answers? Because you attending my class very less. And even though if you are attending also, you just sitting quiet in the class. This is the reason, that's why you are writing this type of answers. Which you are not learning only in the grade 4. You are learning from the beginning. What is 100 paisa equals to how many rupees? You are learning about the money concept from the grade 1. Yes, Neva.
Ma'am, the last question, interest, is it monthly or yearly?
Yearly.
Okay.
Laksha Dhola is also intelligent child. Laksha Dhola, are you there?
Ma'am, he is not in our class.
Yeah, Laksha Dhola is not in the class. He's in 4th B.
Yes, ma'am. I heard that you have joined another class also.
What?
You are saying good morning, everyone. So I hear.
No. That is my recording was playing. That is the reason. I cannot join 2 classes together, bacha. That was, I played my recording. No, that is the reason you were able to listen that.
Ma'am, have you got my CET, ma'am?
Let me check. Yes, Vedant,
Because
I received. Vedant is also such an intelligent child. The 3 hours, the question was 3 hour 20 minutes equals to 19,200 minutes. But I don't know where you have learned this. 19,200 minutes equals to 3 hours 20 minutes. Kevyan and Nishwa has written most of the easy questions.
ma'am, you got my CET.
Let me check. Which child is this?
Ma'am, Rajvi Lahoti.
Rajvi Lahoti received. Suchi
What,
received.
ma'am?
Granth received. Granth is not there in the class, but how he is submitting his. Granth is there in the class? No. He's submitting
No,
his
ma'am.
assignment, doing at home.
Hello, ma'am. What? You got my CET?
Let me check. Yes, Moksh. I got Moksh. I will call the child name Vishruth, Aradhya, Vishruth, Viva, Kevyan, Nishwa, Vedant, Moksh, Niva, Rajvi, Suchi, Granth. These are the students they have submitted. What about the others students? You all know what time is left? Only 5-6 minutes.
Hello, ma'am. I have done something wrong.
No, I will check and let you know that. This is randomly that I'm checking someone's answer. That's why I'm discussing. I am going to check it manually. My dear children, in that case, there is a loss. Loss is of how much? That also you need to write. अगर लॉस है प्रॉफिट है वो कितना है दैट ऑल्सो यू नीड टू राइट only loss and only profit I don't want. How much loss and how much profit?
Ma'am, I write only loss.
You need to ask no if you have such confusion.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the question number,
Let me listen one child first. Dania, speak.
ma'am, in the question number 6 of the first slide, neighborhood map, where is the Ruth's house entry?
There is a Ruth's house entry.
enter the house?
It is just given which is nearest. You just see which is nearest.
Ma'am, in the last one, we have to also write how much loss.
Yes.
Ma'am, but it was written find profit or
If
loss.
you, Dania, if you see the school,
Yes, ma'am.
if you see the school,
Yes.
there is just a direct entry from left and right side. You just see the picture carefully, students.
Ma'am, what you told, I couldn't understand.
You just see the picture. In the picture, which house is nearest to the school.
Okay.
And even for the Ruth's house, you need to find out where is the entry. You have to find out which way you can go. Just see the picture carefully. You can easily find out the way.
Ma'am, but it was only written find profit or loss.
Let me check.
It was not written by how much.
Find the profit or loss. If cost is this. My dear students, I'm giving you a rights to edit here in the for the this. So you can edit your answer. Wait a minute, I'll give you editing rights. I need the answer with the how much also. You can edit your answer. Please go. How much profit or how much loss, that also you need to write. I have already given. You can open your Google form. You can do the editing. And please do.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In that question, I have written the answer with how much.
You have written, no, how much?
Yes, ma'am.
And word profit or loss also you have written whether it is a profit.
Yes,
with-
ma'am. Yes,
Right.
ma'am. So I don't need to do it. Edit response. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in last question. Fifth one.
Doubt means you are not understanding.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
means, my dear, you please read the question carefully. Interest is yearly interest. Amount is total amount. Now, how much he will pay after the 1 year? That you have to find out. One minute is left. Please submit.
Ma'am, I right, ma'am?
Yeah, I have given the editing rights to the students to correct this.
Ma'am, now you got mine
Let,
edit one.
let me see. Yes, I received.
Ma'am, you received mine, Dania.
Have you received mine edited one?
My
See, if you add it, I will surely receive. Okay. So 1 minute is left. Please submit it fast.
edit.
Okay.
Ma'am, you got my.
I got Dania, Dhyan Patel.
Ma'am, you got my.
My dear, please, I will get. If you submit me, I will get. I'll call the child name Aradhya, Vishrut, Viva, Kevyan, Nishubha, Vedant, Moksha, Niva, Rajvi Lahoti, Suchi Mali, Granth, Rajvi Nikhare, Manya, Dhyan Patel, Danya. They have submitted. They can leave the class. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Happy Gandhi Jayanti to you all.
Ma'am, happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Thank you.